everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. We have this multiple kind of warty-like lesion on the top of the first metatarsal here, so we can see. And I've known you for 10 years.
Exactly.
And I just when I saw you downstairs, you asked me, "Do you remember me?" And I was like, "I think so." That's what the first thing that came in was that. And I was like, I think so, but I was like, maybe I got the wrong person. So I was a bit worried. I was like, it's you. Oh yeah, that's fine. So I'm just going to debride it. Sorry, my head is in the way, Stephanie, so you might want to move it. So we're just taking off the first layer. A sticker. Yeah, sticker. It's not even bleeding yet.
No.
So it tells you how deep this is.
Not very pleasant to look at.
Nah. We're gonna get, so you can see that tissue and that tissue is different, right?
Yeah.
This is more warty like.
That's true.
Yeah. But it's done, it's done well. Okay, dokie, so let's do the laser glasses for everybody, please. Thank you. We'll just now wait for it to see how it heals, right? You cut it flat, wets deep, nice bleeding, stimulating body's immunity. So Inadine, Meeple, sterilized, semi-compressed felt, because you're going to start wearing shoes, do not rub against it. Kind of gauze, because it's going to bleed, it may bleed through a little bit. Just going to wrap this around. Do you remember kind of the procedure? It's similar.
Yeah, very similar.
Yeah, very similar. Some burning, some barbecuing.
I didn't feel anything.
Oh, good.
So.
I remember you tolerate, your anesthetic goes really, really well. And, you have very little complications. So, you are doing big one. Just take for me, please, on that side here. Thank you. And then let's do a V. Let's do a V. Two.